season from the two remaining unbeaten teams in the league.
And City Park in the red. It is Orlando in purple, and this one is underway. And here's Marta. Into the middle, Adriana. Blocked Banda, pouncing on it. Banda! 1-0 Orlando! She matches Banda. Chawinga in the box. The shot! She does! 1-1!
Right, and like I said, it starts here. Yeah, you have an opportunity to beat this team, be the first team that beats this team. You gotta take it, guys. It's their feet.
But it's Marta stepping up versus French. Goal! That is going to do it. The Orlando Pride, Jill, have a very big win on the road.